everyone, and welcome back to Select by Pinkvilla. Today's episode is very exciting because we have a special guest, and it is none other than Rahil.
Hi everyone. Hi Pam. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing so well.
So welcome to Select by Pinkvilla.
Thank you so much for having me.
Oh, I'm so excited because I've seen your looks, especially the eye looks. It's so amazing, and I follow your content almost every day, and your transition and everything is like such a delight to watch.
Thank you, thank you.
So Rahil here is a beauty influencer, and his Instagram handle details is right here. So you will be giving me a makeover on one of your most iconic signature look.
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
So let's get started?
Yes, let's get started.
Awesome.
So the look we're going for today, the vibrant neon eye look, oh my god, I love it. Like, what actually inspired you to do that look?
So for me, I personally like really colorful looks, be it like a full-on colorful eye or just like accents of color. So yeah, that's pretty much what inspired me to do something on you as well, because like I said, I love colorful eyes, and I thought a neon green color would look really good on you.
I'm so excited to see it because you know what, I've never done neon eyes ever in my life.
Right.
I'm so excited to see. So I've always seen you using the K-Beauty Illuminating Primer.
Right.
So like, what effect does it give on the base? Like, I've seen you use it a lot. Like, is it for that sheen and the sheer coverage?
Right. So there's two things I like about the primer basically. One, obviously because of the glow that it gives, but the product also has hyaluronic acid, which is really hydrating for the skin. So I really like to go in with the product before I apply anything, because it gives a nice glow from within sort of a look, which I really like.
Yeah, and I can see that in your pictures also. It's stunning. So like, what made you spark your interest in makeup? Because you're so good at what you do.
So I've been very creative as a child, but makeup for me came through this art that I used to be very interested in, which is making miniature clay models.
Oh wow.
So I used to make models and sculptures, and every time I used to paint them, I would be like, what if the paint, like how would it look on myself?
Okay.
You know, and that's when I started using my mom's makeup, and then
that's nice.
yeah, that's how.
How old were you? Do you remember?
I think I was 15 or 16 at the time.
Nice. So what is your like favorite part about makeup?
Just the part where you can literally shapeshift into anything, and it just brings out so much confidence. Like for me,
It does.
For me, growing up, I was like this little emo, sad child sitting in one corner of a classroom. Like everybody's just bullying you, whatever. But eventually, like makeup kind of got me that confidence. I'm like, no, I'm better than you, you know? Like, even though I'm not, like, I'd like to think so.
I know, it makes you so confident.
Right.
Because it makes you look so good, right?
Yeah, I mean, who wouldn't want to look pretty?
I know. So, what is your favorite makeup product?
This right here.
Ooh,
the
Benefit.
bronzer from Benefit.
Benefit is one of my favorite brands too.
Yeah, like even their eyebrow pencils and their
good.
bronzers
Mascaras.
are so good.
I
have them like right here. The liner, oh
know,
my
I
god,
can
it's
see
so
that.
sharp.
Yeah, I heard. I've never tried the liner, but I heard it's like so good.
Yeah, you can see it's like, it's so pointy, and the brush, it has a brush tip, so you
It
can
is
be
so
crisp.
sharp and so amazing.
Yeah.
It's looking so stunning right here.
Thank you.
So the eyeshadow, which product did you use for today's look?
For
you.
my look,
Yeah.
I used the Wet n Wild Color Icon palette in Lights Out. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's like looking stunning.
Yeah, it's a really good palette. Like super affordable, very pigmented, everything. Like it's so good.
So through the years, there are like so much of makeup trends happening, and people try everything. Like, can you name some of your like favorite makeup trends that made your life so much more easier?
I don't think I have a favorite as such.
Yeah.
I mean, I never followed trends as such. Like, for me, makeup is very subjective. Like what I do for my face might not suit your face.
True.
So
very true.
trends again are very subjective. But there was this one trend where the concealer, like the lifting effect using concealer.
From that. And then,
yeah. So that I kind of was doing it myself, like even before it became a trend. So I was like, this could have been me. Like,
yeah, you should have like started that trend.
Yeah. But then, like how they say, you can't cut the cake and have it too. Okay, let's do your brows next.
So brows is something I always found so interesting because like each person has different shapes, different sizes. Even the eyebrow products are like so different. There's like pencil, pomade, gel, wax, everything. So like what product do you like and would suggest?
I prefer pencils.
Same, me too actually. There's a pomade stuff, it's like you have to like...
Yeah, you have to work your way through it.
Work your way and once you mess up, you have to like start all over again.
Exactly. And it can get really messy really quick.
Okay, so for eyeshadow, which palette are we using?
I'm using the Drama palette from this brand called Mist Cosmetics.
Ooh.
Yeah, the colors are super pigmented and they have...
I love this wildcard shade.
I know, the colors are like perfect for day and night looks. Yeah, and then there are like these duochrome pigments and everything. I just love this palette.
I love
You can literally see the state of this palette, how much I use it.
It's quite clean though. I mean,
Is
mine
it?
is like, as if someone just
This is
literally...
my most dirtiest palette, like, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow!
Usually I keep my
You're so
makeup
prim and
very-
proper.
Yeah.
God, this neon pigment is stunning.
I know, it's one of my favorites.
From where is it?
It's actually from a small business on Instagram.
Oh,
even the lashes that I'm wearing right now, these and this pigment is from that small brand.
Okay.
However, the sad part is the brand shut last year.
Oh no!
Yeah, I was so sad. The owner is like really, she's a good friend now. And yeah, she got a better job and she quit the business.
So it was our sole business.
Yeah, and the reason why I actually bought this pigment is because Nicki Minaj's new song had just released, What That Speed Bout.
Okay.
I don't know if you've seen the video, but she's wearing literally the same color. I was like, I need to recreate that look and I need this pigment in my life.
Nice. I see you love to mix different kind of lipsticks, right?
Right.
Even I love to mix different shades of lipstick. It gives such a unique color and then it...
Yeah, so this what I'm doing right now is one of my most viral lip combos. So I did this in one of the reels and that reel kind of got almost 5 million views.
What?
Yeah.
Damn.
And yeah, since then this lipstick has become my signature lip combo.
Okay.
So I basically what I do is line the lips with this lip liner from MAC Cosmetics. It's called Chestnut. And then fill the center using a MAC lipstick called Velvet Teddy.
Okay.
And then just apply this Spotlight lip gloss from Lakme in the shade Creme Caramel.
Nice.
Yeah, like it gives like a... And it's the same combo that I'm wearing right now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It's so good for every skin tone. Like it looks so good on everybody.
I should definitely try this. I'm so excited to look at myself.
Yeah, so we're almost done. We're just gonna add some lashes and then highlight your face, and then we're done. I think we're done.
We're done?
Yes.
Oh my god, I can't wait to have a look
All
at
right.
this look.
Okay, Pam, are you ready to see
I'm so ready.
the results?
Yes.
All right, here's the mirror. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Who is she? Oh my god! Wow! It really is stunning, and I love the lip combo. Oh my god, my lip looks so much more poutier.
Yes.
Oh my god, let's go somewhere now.
Yes, let's do that.
Oh my god, thank you so much for this look. I am in love, and thank you
Yay.
so much for coming.
Thank you so much for
I hope
having me. I had so much fun, and I hope you liked this look that I
I'm
did on
squealing
you.
like a little child because I'm so excited. I could not wait to like just go somewhere and be like,
All right
You know?
then, you better do that, girl.
So this was it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as we did. Till then, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Select by Pinkfella, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.
Bye.